Assalamualaikum, you are watching Mr. TECHFOX. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install LocalSend on your Mac so you can share files for free between Mac, Windows, Linux, Android, and iPhone without using cables or the internet. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to subscribe and like the video. First, open your web browser. Now, search for LocalSend. Open the official LocalSend website. Then click on the download button. Here, select macOS. Now, choose DMG. The DMG file will start downloading automatically. Here you can see that the file has been downloaded. So, double-click on it. Now drag the LocalSend app into the Applications folder. After the copy is complete, open the Applications folder, then launch LocalSend. Click Open. Press Allow. And you have successfully downloaded and installed LocalSend on your Mac. Thanks for watching.